Assalamualaikum everyone, it's Mr. TECHFOX here and today I'll show you how to change your computer's name in Windows using the latest method. If you find this helpful, please consider subscribing for more tech tips. Alright, let's dive in. First, open settings. You can open it by pressing Windows plus I button or you can select it from the start menu. Once you are in settings, go to system on the left. And now you have to scroll down and select About. Here you will see an option to rename. Just normally click on Rename this PC. Now just enter the new name you want for your computer. Remember to keep it simple with only letters, numbers or hyphens for best compatibility. TECHFOX. Now you have to click on Next button. Now, Windows will ask you if you want to restart now to apply the changes or not. Choose Restart Now to set the new name immediately or Restart Later if you need more time. So I'm choosing Restart Later because I don't want to restart the PC right now. And that's it. Your PC will now use its new name after the restart. If this guide was helpful, please hit the subscribe button for more tips from Mr. TECHFOX. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.